center stack on the infotainment system. Volume button here turns everything on or off. That's off, that's on. Controls the volume. Then you've got the home button here. Takes you to the home screen. Source button here toggles between the sources on the bottom of the screen there. Configuration button takes you into the configuration settings. Here the choices are language, time and date, radio settings. I'm going to go into these language, and I'm using the multifunction dial to rotate and then push the center to select. So choices for English, back button on the center stack, time and date, set time, set date, and then go to a 12-hour, 24-hour format. Radio settings, so where you can adjust your auto volume. Go in there, you've got off, low, medium, high. Go back, grace note options, normalization on or off, XM channel art. This is where you can choose to display XM channel art on the screen or not. Startup volume allows you to adjust the startup volume when you get in the vehicle and the radio's on. So when you start the vehicle, it's not blaring, it'll always start at this volume. Number of favorites page, this is where you can select the number of favorites from 1 to 6. XM categories, this is where you can select, show all XM categories, or you can just select the individuals here. You can see them displayed here. Software version menu, this is to check your software version information here. Different updates that have been done. Update radio software, you do that here. Apparently you do it through a USB device. I'm going to cancel that. You can create a log file and then licensing information. And that's it for radio settings. Phone settings, this is where you go. Here's your device list, all your paired up to 5 devices. Would show them if you had them. And this is where you would go to pair a device. Display settings. Home page menu, this is where you can customize your home page. You can choose the sources that you want display, different things. And then this is where you can set the sort order. Okay. And then you can restore the defaults from there. Vehicle settings, this takes you into vehicle personalization, where you can set climate and air quality features. I'm going to go into that. The auto fan speed, this is the mode, or this is the speed that it'll start at. Air conditioning mode, go back into that. Air conditioning mode on, off, last setting. Air quality sensor, off, low sensitivity, high sensitivity. Remote start auto heat seat, that turns on the heat when you, heated seats when you remote start the vehicle or not. And auto defog. Comfort and convenience, easy exit driver seat, auto memory recall, chime, button chime, reverse tilt mirror, lighting, vehicle locator lights, exit lighting. Actually, let me go back in there. Our exit lighting, so you see the choices. Our door locks, open door anti-lockout, auto door unlock. Let's Fasten all doors, driver door off. Remote lock, unlock start, remote unlock feedback. And return to factory settings. And that's it for vehicle configuration. Okay, so go back. So that's vehicle configuration. Obviously I was using the back button. Tone button allows you to adjust the tone settings, bass, mid, treble, EQ, fade, and balance. And go back. And then the phone button, OnStar hands-free calling. That's here. Back. And then this would be your forward, which would scan forward, and reverse, which would also do your track forward if you had a CD in, that kind of thing. Your eject button if you have a CD in. And that is it.